The weight plate waiter curl is a bicep curl variation that has become popular for building the peak of the biceps. The main drawback is it can be challenging to hold heavier weight plates, which potentially limits the opportunity for progressive overload as well as the limited range of motion. Swapping out the weight plate for a dumbbell makes the dumbbell waiter curl more comfortable. However, doing a standing supinated dumbbell bicep curl should be just as effective. However, if you want to give it a try, here's how to do it correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, chest up, and core engaged. Hold a weight plate by placing both hands underneath with your fingers spread out and thumbs pressed into the side. Position the plate in front of you at hip height with your elbows close to your sides and palms facing up. Keep your shoulders back and avoid swinging for better muscle activation. Under control, curl the plate upward by bending your elbows and keeping them close to your body. Bring the weight plate toward your chest without allowing your elbows to drift forward. Once you reach the top of the curl, squeeze your biceps hard and hold for a brief moment with your palms facing up. To intensify the exercise, try squeezing the edges of the plate hard with your thumbs throughout the movement. Slowly lower the weight back down to the starting position, resisting gravity to maximize tension on the biceps. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.